Hello children, good morning, very good morning children. Okay, so let me start the new sessions. So today which class we are going to start? What is it? Yesterday what you learned? Cursive letters. So in cursive letters, cursive A, capital A and cursive letter small a. So still up to from A to Z we had completed, isn't it? Okay, fine. But have you done the practice at home? Okay, sure. Have you done the practice? Oh, very great. So if you have done the practice, to whom it is beneficial more? For me or for my children? For yours. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, see, listen. If you do the practice more, you can show the very good performance in where? In your classwork notebooks. Okay. If you write good handwriting, you can follow, you can able to learn very clearly. That is the reason this teacher is teaching you. I am just stressing on where? On the handwriting. Okay. Because before I start the class, my children, when they start the classwork, that should be where it looks what? Very good handwriting. Okay. So today I am going to show you how to join two letters, three letters. Slowly I will join the two letters. Then I will show you the practice of joining the three letters. Then how to join the four letters. At last we will go with the A to Z letters, A to Z letters without lifting our fingers. Okay children. So today I will show you. You may didn't learn the in first class cursive letters, but you learned in the last peak moment, isn't it? Your Shaila ma'am had given the practice, isn't it? Last year she gave more practice in cursive writing. When the academic year ends, no, she had given the practice, isn't it? Okay. So now this year every subject teacher is going to give the handwriting practice. Now I am going to show you the cursive letters, how to join the two letters. Then I will show you the three letters. This you do the practice. Okay. Now listen here. First I will show the first form, second stage. Okay. Now listen here. How to join the two letters. Only two letters children. Follow the two letters. How we are going to join. Look at here. Cursive letter. Touch the line. Only two letters. Okay. And. What is this? And. Next one. Is. What is this? Is. You can write like this children. Wait 1 second. Like this way you write. Place the finger gap and write. Is. Okay. Only two letters. How to touch? See, look at the stroke and write. Upper strokes, big letters. At. Okay. Then in. I-N. In. He. H-E. He. See. Okay. Next one. Enough. 5 words are enough for you. So do the practice as a homework 2 times. Okay. 2 times you do it as a homework practice. How to join the two letters. The next one is how to join the 3 letters. I will do the practice of 3 letters. Now listen here. She. Yes. Okay. H-E. She. Is it clear? Next one. Rin. R-I-N. Rin. Okay. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Understand now? Is it clear? Okay. Next one. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Okay. Next word. You can write one more word. Next word is pin. How to write a cursive letter? See, look at here. Don't touch to first line. P should not touch to first line. Just above the second line. Okay. Lift the line only above the second line. Little bit. Pin. This is pin. Over. Okay. Now you just copy down. This you make it as a 2 times. This is also make it as a 2 times homework. Is it clear, all of you children? Do this one as a homework. So what we wrote here, and spell the word, how to join the letter A-N, and. Okay, next one I-E-S, is. Next one A-T, at. I-N, in. I-N, in. Look at here, I how to write. Touch the two lines, mid lines. Okay, some few words are coming under what? Those two letters, words are touched only to the mid lines. Some words going to where it is toward to the first line. Okay, see, listen here. A-T, at. Letter and upper letter. Okay, the next one is 3-letter words. S-H-E, R-I-N, rin. B-A-T, bat. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. So please do this practice in your class of notebooks and write very neat handwriting, children. Okay, so now listen. While writing, place the finger gap and write very neatly. Only 2 times. Okay, follow the word and make it don't write very clumsy, and don't just take this word beside the first word. I mean, don't make it words very packed. Place the finger gap. Every time only one finger gap. Finger gap, finger gap, finger gap. Is it clear? If without lifting up, without giving any finger gap, if you are writing, it becomes so clumsy handwriting. So look at the way how I had drawn the lines, and please children, you don't draw any lines. This is only for the teacher's purpose. Okay, I don't have any lines in the blackboard. That is the reason I had drawn the lines on the blackboard. Okay children. So look at the strokes, because for the strokes purpose teacher had drawn the lines to understand, to make you understand very clear. That is the reason I had drawn the lines. See, just you learn, do the practice of how I should have to lift my finger upward, downward, midward. So this B is going towards upward. Okay. Now what about P? No, P should not touch to this first line. No, this is little bit. Lift the letter of P above the second line. Just light lift the finger. Okay. Then again bring it down, and then you give a curve. That's it. This is P. Got it now? B, lift your finger, curve, and again take a curve. Second stroke, third stroke. This is B. When you are writing R, curve and bring it down. When you are writing H, lift it up, bring it down, again make it curve. This is H. Got it children? So please follow the strokes and write very neat handwriting. Okay, and without disturbing yourself and looking after watching TV and playing games or doing chatting. No, please avoid all the such things. Okay, I hope that my children are going to show me the best handwriting. When school reopens, no, you are going to show very best handwriting in your classwork notebook. That should be very easy to learn. It will be very helpful to learn very easily. So copy down those words very neatly. Do the practice for 2 times and learn and write. That is most important. First homework is what? Don't keep your mouth mum. Learn and write. This is the most important, children. Without learning, without spell the word if you are writing, it is highly impossible to find out the word spellings. Okay. So spell the word and keep on writing. Louder, not, it's very slow voice. While playing, you will be making a sound, isn't it? Like that. While writing in your classwork, spell the word properly, pronounce it properly and write. Okay children? So you came to which class now? Yes, second class. But second class children, what they are doing the practice today? Handwriting practice. Okay, because when you start the classwork, you are going to write in the cursive letters, not in the split letters. You are not in the first class, isn't it? So when you came to class second, you should have to know how to write the cursive letters. That is the reason we are giving this practice for you all. Okay children? Thank you. Carry on with your work and do it very neatly.